First one, pseudo-glandular stage. Pseudo-glandular stage between 5 and 17 weeks. Between 5 and 17 weeks. The developing lung resembles a gland. The developing lung resembles a gland. So it's the pseudo glandular stage. The second one is the canalicular stage. The canalicular stage between 16 and 25 weeks. Between 16 and 25 weeks. The lumina of bronchi and bronchioles become larger and tissue become more vascular. The lumina of bronchi and bronchioles become larger and tissue becomes more vascular. See, there is lumina of bronchi and bronchioles which becomes larger, not shorter, not the point, not shorter, it becomes larger and the tissue becomes more vascular. The vascularity increases, the lumina increases in size. The third one is the terminal sac stage. The third one is the terminal sac stage between 24 weeks to birth. Between 24 weeks to birth. Many sacules appear at the ends of terminal bronchiole or the terminal sac. The capillaries bulge into these sacs. Okay. The name of the stage is the terminal sac stage. So many sacules appear at the ends of terminal bronchioles, the terminal sac, and the capillaries bulge into these sacs. Okay. The fourth one is the alveolar stage. The fourth one is the alveolar stage, late fetal period to 8 years after birth. Late fetal period to 8 years after birth. The epithelial lining of the sacs, the epithelial lining of the sacs become an extremely thin squamous layer and the alveolo-capillary membrane allows exchange of gases. Alveolar stage, the epithelial lining of the sacs become an extremely thin squamous layer and the alveolo-capillary membrane allows exchange of gases. See, here there is a alveolo-capillary membrane allows exchange of gases. Four stages. So there are mainly four stages. First one is the pseudoglandular stage. The second one is the canalicular stage. The third one is the terminal sac stage. And the fourth one is the alveolar stage. These four stages overlap each other because cranial segments of lungs mature. The cranial segments of lungs mature faster than the caudal ones. These four stages overlap each other because the cranial segments of lungs mature faster than the caudal ends.